back to another video. Today we are going to be making vanilla cupcakes. And honestly, my brother loves these, and so that's why I'm basically making them. And they are the best and the best. And this is a very simple recipe, and I hope you guys like this recipe too. Whenever and whatever you're baking, you want your measurements to be precise, accurate, and well measured. You want to use measuring cups, measuring spoon, go ahead, but you do not want to mess up the measurements. For this vanilla cupcake recipe, you will be needing 1 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, which I have already sifted, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of butter, and you do not want your butter to be cold or hot or melted. You just want it to be softened, so just take it out of the fridge and just let it cool for a while. Okay, apart from that, we will also be needing 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs at room temperature, not cold, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1/2 cup of whole milk. Now we are going to get mixing. I'm going to take this out and I'm going to put in my butter. There. And I'm going to turn the mixer on. Okay, and this is how you want your texture of our flour to be. You want it to be crumbly, and if you do not have a mixer, you can go ahead and use a hand mixer. I'm just using my rubber spatula and taking the rest out. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my sift back, and I'm going to add in our sugar. So I'm going to take this out for a second. Okay. Just going to sift it. A lot of sugar. Now that the sugar is sifted, you can see that there are lumps. So I'm just gonna use my hand and like soften. There. This will just make it more accurate. There. Just want to get as much as you can in there. And okay, there. Now I'm going to add in the baking powder into this, salt, and I'm going to put it back into the mixer until it is well combined. Once the texture is crumbly and powdery, I'm going to take this off. I'm going to adjust this. There. And that's how the texture should be. It should just fall apart. Okay, now I'm just going to add in my eggs. Bloop, bloop. And vanilla extract. And 1/2 of our milk. Need to save the 1/2 for later. Back it goes in the mixer. I'm adding in the rest of my milk. There. Now I'm just gonna let the milk mix in with the batter. I'm just gonna turn this off, and that looks beautiful. Like, look at those peaks. And I'm just gonna scrape the sides off. Like, look at that. That looks so good. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this out. Which way? There. We want all the batter we can get. I'm just going to scrape this. Okay, and what I have here is something called an ice cream scooper. Okay. And if you don't have this, you can use a spoon. I'm just going to do this. Okay, I'm baking these in a DeLonghi multi-fryer. Or if you do not have this, you can bake these in an oven or a home oven. Just going to tap that off. Doop, 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 doop. And I'm going to fill the rest in now. Okay, now that these are in, I am baking these in a DeLonghi multiplier, and like I said, if you do not have it, you can bake it in an oven, in a home oven, and that they give the same results. Okay, now I have this on the cake setting, and the time starts now. I will check this after 10 to 15 minutes, and if they're cooked, I'm going to take them 20 minutes since the cupcakes have been in the multiplier, and it's time to take them out, and the big reveal. Da-da-da-da! Poof! Whoa. I love how they have the golden brown edge. Right, a way to check if they are properly cooked is to take a toothpick or a skewer and just like stab them in the middle. And if it comes out clean like this, that means they're ready. I'm just going to take them out now. I'm just going to do the same batches out, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to let these cool down for around 10 minutes, and I have the second batch over here which I'm just going to put in. So, and it goes, start there, and I've put some of the batter in a cake pan over here, and I have put it in a home oven. In my future videos I will be telling you how to make these in a home oven. I'm just going to take these out. Whoa, look at that. You got the soft layer that you want on the outside and like golden brown covers. And I'm just going to take this out into a plate. Flip this, and I'm just going to take this off and show you guys how it looks. Da-da-da. Yo! Whoa! That looks like a cup cake with a dash in the middle. It looks so good. Oh my god. I can smell the vanilla essence through here. Okay, I have one of the cupcakes here, and my brother again here to taste test it. And there you go.
So I just eat it like that?
Yeah, just eat it. And I'm gonna cut a slice out of here. There.
It's soft. Like a cupcake. It's really good.
You can see this one has also cooked, and I love how there's a spongy layer in between. And look at that, it literally looks awesome. It's literally like a cupcake. It's a cupcake cake. Amazing. %100 amazing. It's awesome. And you guys should really try this, and if you do, tell me in the comments down below, and give this video a big thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye!